Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? Here, let me get my. There's the wave. How's everyone doing? Happy Friday today. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day, and hopefully we can roll that into a nice weekend. We're starting to get ready for our online class, and I wanted to make sure that everyone knew how to log into Canvas. Canvas is a really important application. It's where we are going to do pretty much all of our work for the class. So it's really important that everyone can log into Canvas and take a look at the class. So there's a few different ways to log into Canvas. You can check the email that I sent you and click the link on there for miracosta.instructure.edu, I believe. Oh, it's this one right here, miracosta.instructure.com. If you click on that link, it will take you to a login like this. My login looks a little bit different because I'm a teacher, but it's going to ask for your ID and a password. I use my email, but you are not going to use your email. You're going to use your student ID. So your student ID, if you don't know it, you can ask me for it. I can send that to you, but you don't put it in directly here. You need to use a W instead of the first zero. So let me take a look at an example here. I've got my other computer off to the side. Let me take a look at an example of a student ID. So I've got them all listed on MiraCosta's website. So again, if you need your student ID, you can just ask me for it and I can give it to you. So let me take a look at an example. Give me just a moment. Okay. All right. Here's my roster. All right. So an ID will look something like this. So your normal MiraCosta ID will be like 0, like 7, 3, then we'll say like 5, 5, 5, 5. That's like a normal looking MiraCosta ID. Instead of a 0 at the beginning, you're going to replace that with a W. Okay. So it's a W and then the rest of your student ID instead of that first 0. And then a password. Well, you don't probably have a password. So you need to click on Forgot Password. What you'll do is you'll click on here. It'll ask you to put in a valid surf ID. I made a fake one, so this one isn't going to work. But then you will continue. Once you click continue, an email will be sent to you. It's the email that you have on file with MiraCosta, and it will give you a temporary password where you can log into Canvas and you can see what's going on. Like you can change your password, all of that stuff if you need to. But let's just go over to MiraCosta's Canvas. Let's see here. One of my favorite ways to log in is to go to the MiraCosta website, go to their index, and then click on the link for Canvas. This is my login information. We're going to log in, and you'll be able to see all of the classes that you are enrolled in. That'll come up on your dashboard. There'll be announcements up here, and here's the dashboard. I have 2 level 7 classes because this one is last term and this one is this term. So if you see this link, it'll say SP20, that means spring 2020, NCESL, non-credit ESL 45, that's level 7, and this is our section number, 1266. If you click on this, now, you probably won't see anything because the class is not published. I'm still working on it, but I'm going to be loading up the first week pretty soon. It's going to look something like this. There'll be some discussion questions, a list of vocabulary words, a vocabulary quiz. We do a vocabulary quiz every week. And then videos, links, discussion questions, writing assignments, all that stuff. And then a grammar page. I'm still working on the grammar page. That's why it hasn't been published yet. But don't worry, that's coming soon. So I hope this is helpful. I know Canvas is probably new for a lot of students. Do not hesitate to email me, to ask me questions, because I'm here to help you guys. We're all doing this maybe for the first time. So don't feel bad about asking questions. Asking questions is how you learn. And in fact, asking questions is going to be our first grammar point. So I hope you guys can find this. I'll hopefully see everyone very, very soon. My email is, I have two emails. You can reach me, and I'll write this down up here, at bwelldalee, type it correctly, at gmail.com. This is one of the primary ways to email me is bwelldalee@gmail.com, or you can reach me at bwelldalee@miracosta.edu. You have both of those options available to you. Again, I hope this was helpful.